This is my friend Sukeha.
Say hi, Su. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Sasabihin ko. Kainis ka mo na.
Ay, Sukeha, you say.
She's Sukeha, 18 years old from the Philippines. She's looking for a boyfriend.
No, I'm not looking for a boyfriend.
She's only 18 years old and a virgin.
Please, if you want to see her, only
Ate Jackie, wala pa siya.
$500.
This is Jockey, my friend.
Oh.
And this is Haza. Where are you? Haza. That's
Ano yung
Zah.
niya? Yung legs ito.
And the legs of Sukeha. It's so eerie. Ouch. Yeah, that's...
How about your face? Hey.
Hello.
She's Miss Benguet.
I thought Miss Abra.
No, Miss Fugo. Fugu.
Gayong.
Ano ka ba?
Yeah.
1987.
Silagan.
And this is my hand.
My
Hi.
hand.
Wow, ang gitara.
Engage.
You're not engaged, stupid.
To Pradip.
Dito.
Engaged to Pradip.
Sige lang.
Who do you love the most? Pradip, Sandip?
Ang puti.
Ay, huwag mo naman siyang iniinsulto.
Can you see this?
Wow.
Can you see this?
She's a fucking devil.
She's... Wait lang kasi ate ka lang. She looks like porn.
She looked like a animal.
She looked like a bitch. I mean, the female dog.
She looked...
She's a lesbian, that girl.
Hey, I'm not a lesbian.
And that's me.
A gay.
A gay. Sige na, mamaya pa.
Stop it now.
No, I don't wanna. Stop this fucking shit.
Spell fuchsia. Spell fuchsia.
Tama na. Tama natin. Finish and exit.
No, we will show this to Charmy, our
Hi
friend.
to Charmy.
Hey, hi to Charmy.
Hi,
All of
Rian.
our friends.
Happy
Rian.
G.
Hi, Ate G.
Jose.
Wave.
Jose? Chris Jean.
Mr. Palafox.
Surprise.
Hello, Sir Erwin. Sir Taba.
Sir Baknoy.
Sir
Ma'am
Baknoy.
Kel-
Sir Kiko.
Hi, Sir Kiko.
Ma'am
Kel-
Arely.
Kelchi.
Say hi to Ma'am Arely.
Hi, Ma'am Ellie.
How about Sir Julius?
Oh my God!
Ito malapit na ako.
Tama na, gabi na.
How about Manong? Say hi to Manong.
Oh, bakit naman eh?
Wow.
Hey.
Ay, ikaw, ate.
Parang tanga. So dumbbell.
Wow! Give pa first. O, sige, gayahin natin siya.
1, 2, 3, go. Stupid. Stupid act. Okay, say bye. It's okay, huh?
Bye. Bye to all there.
All to learn. Ano all there? All there.
What's all up there? What's the all up there?
Papa Bear, Mama Bear.
Got to go.
Full house.
Okay, bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
I say bye-bye to ano pa, your best friend.
Magbabay ka sa lahat ng lengguwahe.
Oh.
Ciao, ganun mo. Tatawa.
Tatagan mo.
Mega nga na.
Ayoko. Sige, tama.
O, sige, bye ka na.
Bye.
Bye to all the foreigners out there.
Bye to all the foreigners.
Study, especially to Pradip.
Especially to
Pradip.
Pradip.
President.
Kasi mag-chat mo na, ano? Mumbai.
Wag, ayoko.
Morong folder as well.
Bye. Bye-bye.